halaman. Today is Monday. Look guys, ang ganda dito guys. So, ano nyo yung ano? Nice. In Berjaya Times Square. This is the decoration in Berjaya Times Square during Ramadan. Ayan guys. May net din sila para sa bangka. Ganda. What a big rock. Rock, rock, rock. Mind your steps. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh, yes. Look at that.
I found the train over there.
Oh, okay, okay. Ito yung mga traditional food nila during Ramadan. During fasting month. Mga kwe. Doon si Kylie. Ayan. Yung saging, flowers, at saka bangka. So pretty. So guys, talaga ang ganda. Sila may mga ilaw. Train. Bahay. Yan, may pusa.
Mama, this train.
There's a cat.
No train there.
Okay, okay. Super ganda. Guys. Don't touch. Nandito kami sa mga prutas. Ayan.
It's too small.
Nice, right?
Look, it's fake. Look everybody, it's fake.
Hello everybody. Ay, okay, ay, okay.
It's fake.
Ayan o.
Mama, it's fake. It's not real.
Yeah. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Yeah.
So nice. Let's go. Coconut, watermelon, longhorn, durian, papaya, squash. Beautiful kay.
Look at me. Okay,
Dragon fruit, mango, pineapple, apple. Let's go na.
If I let you finish the...
Nice, huh? This is the traditional. Kay, don't touch. Very nice. Look at that, the settings, the fish. The squid. Kala mo. This is old fashioned. Yeah. So So nice.
With the hat on.
Next time, next time. Yeah, wow. So guys. Alikay. This is PH to KL TV. Thank you for watching. Be safe.